project.
The customers here came to me. They had a pretty good idea of what they wanted. I don't know where they'd gotten some of their ideas from. I know they'd been through our website and seen all of our stuff, and they loved the style. But they wanted me to create some grade and some elevation in the yard. And the way that it stands now, the yard drops way off. So what we're going to do is we're going to build up both ends so that as you come around from either the driveway or the fire side of the house, you go down into the pool area, and it creates that little bit of elevation. And then off the back side of the pool, the grade drops again, and there'll be some retaining walls and some pretty cool stuff back there. But our idea really was give them something that was multi-leveled versus just trying to stick in a flat pool and grade everything toward it, which was what we would have had to done here. Instead, we're retaining up the sides, so both ends are retained. One end is a waterfall with a slide in a grotto, a pretty nice sized grotto, a swim-in grotto that's going to have a series of benches on the inside, and then a waterfall over the face of it, and a slide coming down across the top of it. And that structure will be fairly large. And to be able to do that, we needed the elevation, so that doesn't stick up too far out of the ground. That was the final determination that will build up both ends of the yard so that that fits a little more naturally into the wall. So those are some of the features. Around the corner from me here, there'll also be a pizza oven and a small serving area that will all be built in. And sun shelf, raised hot tub that will spill over into the pool. So it's got a lot of the features and the things that I like to do, and it certainly has my flair and my style. And it's a great customer to work with because they're really allowing me the freedom that I can pull the tape measure out once to get the basic layout of the pool, and I don't have to worry about pulling out a tape measure again. It's all by how is this going to feel, how does this space work, and doing it that way versus trying to work on a blueprint and draw and dimensionalize everything. As long as we get our critical dimensions from the house, from the septic tank, from the lot lines, for the sake of the pool structure itself, from a city permit standpoint, the rest of it's really flexible, and I really, really like that because it gives me the ability to do pretty much the thing that I do, the thing that makes me happy, the thing that really gets me going.